morning, guys. It's a quarantine day 150. I don't know. Just have woken up, as you can see from my eyes. I didn't sleep early as always, and I have to wake up early to work, and there are so many other things that I need to do. Now we're gonna make my water. जब तक पानी गर्म हो रहा है, we'll get some tulsi leaves, and I'll take wash the tulsi leaves very properly, and take and with this I like to take few dry fruits every morning. So guys, आज मौसम अच्छा था, so we thought why not to take out the pool, and now we're gonna set it up. So yeah, let's go. So we are halfway done. So now the pool has set it up. Ridu, Ridu, I love you बोल दो. इतना quickly. रिदु, ये लो, लगा लो. दीदी ने कैसे लगाया था? कैसे लगाया था दीदी ने? ऐसे. हाँ, सिद्धू दिखाओ. So guys, I'm all done and ready after the bath. I'm wearing this top, the pink top with truffle sleeves, and I'm wearing this skirt with it. And yeah, this is the OOTD. You know guys, I just have to clear all of this mess. कल मैं शूट कर रही थी, थोड़ा 3 वीडियो शूट करी थी इंस्टाग्राम से रिलेटेड, तो सब अभी यहीं पर है. Also guys, the thing I've been waiting for is finally here. Not the Femina magazine, but my certificate from London School of Trends. I did fashion blogging from there. It's been like weeks now, and I never disclosed. I never wanted to disclose, but finally when I am having this certificate in my hand, I really feel so special, and yeah, it's just like a dream come true. So guys, I'll talk more about it, but right now, as it's a sunny day and I don't want to waste the daylight, so I'm gonna go upstairs and shoot something, anything. I'll plan for reels, and I'll see what can I do. Till then, I'll see you in a bit. Toodles. So I just came back from the roof. I went there to shoot some reels, did some dances, made my own dance as well, and that is why I'm like sweating so much, because I haven't turned on the fan, because उससे फिर disturbance आती है वीडियो में. I have just turned on the AC, and yeah, I'm still like sweating so much. So I've got quite few questions, and I'm gonna answer them. They were almost the same. So I picked 4 of the questions that I feel are relevant and I want to talk about. So the first question is, what is LST? What kind of study is there? And is there any school in India? So first of all, LST is London School of Trends. London School of Trends, offers you a variety in fashion blogging, luxury, brand management, and there are some other courses also, but London School of Trends is very famous for fashion industry, and it serves you an amazing lectures in that. And then, is there any school in India? there are not any school in India, but there are like little institutes that serves you, helps you to get the degree from there. But I didn't do it like that. I did a online base, and I'll talk about it in a bit. The second question is, please share the details about how you applied for and how was your experience. So I used to follow London School of Trends and British Council. So they had this thing that their admissions open and all that stuff. So I went to their website and checked if there is any place for me. And luckily I got it. The admissions were closing, but later I found out that they have courses starting on every 4th month. So you can apply like that. Talking about my experience, it was so amazing. I got to learn so many things. I got to know about my niche. I got to know about literally a lot about fashion. Fashion designing is different, fashion blogging is different. So I didn't learn anything about designing. I did learn a little about brand management, but I didn't learn about fashion designing there. I learned about the proper fashion blogging, how to write blogs, and how to be updated with the blog. Third question is how much it costed, the most important question of them all. So the course was 5 weeks long and it was for 20,000 bucks, but they offer different discounts every time, so you should definitely go and check their website once. And I should definitely highlight two of the very famous courses of theirs. One is the fashion blogging and second is the luxury brand management. These two courses are lit, like literally lit. From where and the charges, I already told you about the charges. From where I did an online course. So the classes used to be online. The teachers, the professors, they used to teach me and I used to make notes of them. And then you have an assignment when you complete all of your 5 weeks course, and then you have an assignment. You have to submit that assignment. There were like 3 assignments that I submitted, and they were like pretty long. Literally, they needed a lot of research. Let me tell you, there was this very amazing assignment that I did. It was on criticizing a very famous brand, and I thoroughly enjoyed that assignment, I'm telling you. So I did it on Gucci. So I researched a lot about Gucci, his background, his leather, every kind of work that he do, the fox fur, and literally each and everything I had to research, and I had a critical analysis. I totally adored it. I really like making reports and just writing stuff. So yeah, that was something for me. Also, this course really motivated me throughout. Like, I could make my own website in your second semester or your second part, whatever you want to say. So they tell you about to make your own website, and I have this thing. I have everything in my mind. I was very inspired by Masoom Minawala. She has this blog named as the Style Fiesta, and I was really inspired by her lifestyle and everything. And I really want to start my own, something of my own. But I was always afraid, because I didn't know how it goes, how it doesn't, and there were a lot of things. A website needs lots of things, and I couldn't do alone. I knew that. So I had an idea, then I tried to work on it, and yeah, then I had my own website, that is Bling on the Hoop. So I forgot to tell you that this certificate is not given by them. They mailed me basically. So if you want to have the certificate from London, you have to pay some charges, and then you get the original document of the whole study. But as because of the COVID, they made me clear before that it might be delayed 2 months or 3 months. So I didn't take a chance. I said, okay, you just mail me, I'll make it from here, I'll print it out, and I'll put it in my pinboard, and that's gonna be like a life. So, I am the one, your son don't need. What you get to learn in this course is, number 1, the basics of fashion blogging, then it's creating your own brand, then making your own brand, about the social media, how to handle social media, making your niche. Also guys, next week is going to be something different. I am uploading something really out of the box. I haven't done that before. I'll share the BTS of it so you can a little have a guess, or I don't know, but I'll be streaming that live, so please join me next week. It's gonna be different. So that is all. I hope you really enjoyed the vlog. It was like all around the day kind of stuff, But yeah, that was kind of a day in my life, but I hope you enjoyed it. And you know the drill: like, share, comment, and subscribe. And you gotta do that right now. And then I'll see you in the next video. Toodles! इफेक्ट ये लाइट प्रोजेक्ट 3 चल रहा है नहीं 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 इस पे कंफ्यूज मत होना ये बाद में करूँगी हो गई मेरे नोजी में